Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear my voice?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
clear,
Good.
bro.
Okay. How are you today, anyone? You good?
Tired, sir.
Alhamdulillah. Where are you now at the moment? Where are you at the moment? Lagi di mana sekarang?
In
Oh, wow.
motorcycle.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
keep listening and just keep listening ya.
Yeah, be positive, sir. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. It's dangerous. Okay. Okay, thank you. Hello, good evening ya, Sis Fatima, Sis Titi, Sis Bonita, and others. And Sis Siska. Oh, okay. Before, what is it? Before I start the material, I want to ask you something. So, do you have any plan to go somewhere on the weekend? Do you have any plan? Yeah.
Yes, I have.
Yes,
Yes, I have.
You have.
yes, I
Okay.
have.
Where? So, which place do you want to go?
If me,
Mm-mm.
I want to come the new place in Lembang, Bandung. Is
Mhm.
the nice park Bandung. I think it's kids friendly.
Mhm.
Certainly, my children
Children.
so very
Mhm.
happy if come there
Mm.
because my children can see the kind of the animal
Mhm.
in there and
Mhm.
then enjoy the interesting activity in there, just like that.
Okay, how many children do you have, sis?
I have two children, one daughter and one son.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you what is it? You have planned to go to one place, Lembang, ya?
Yes.
Lembang, Bandung. Ah.
Let's come to Bandung, Bro Rofik.
I have ever been there, like 2016. So I go to like susu apa sih namanya? How can I say that? Like in Lembang. So
In Lembang.
if we buy
Maybe Park Zoo Hotel. Park Zoo Hotel. Park Zoo Lembang, I mean.
wait, I forget the place, but like when you buy the ticket, you can get one free glass, one free glass of milk.
Or maybe farmhouse.
If I'm not mistaken.
Farmhouse, so near the new place is Great Asia Africa.
Oh.
Great Asia Africa in front of the farmhouse.
Walah. Yeah, I was there for maybe 3 days, yeah. And I also followed my my auntie because we visit her.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Sis Titi, ya.
Welcome, bro.
Okay, now I want to know maybe Sis Derry, Bro Derry. Bro,
Yes.
do you have any plan, bro? On the weekend?
On the weekend, I want going
Go
to
somewhere.
Bandung. Yeah, Bandung. I want meet my son. My son school in boarding school in Bandung. Near Al-Jabar.
Oh, Al-Jabar.
Yes.
Oh, I see. So some people here are Sundanese, yeah.
No, I am come from originally come from Madiun, East Java. Now
Oh.
I living in Depok, West Java.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah.
Okay.
So you are Javanese.
Yes, I
East
Japanese.
Javanese, yeah.
East Java.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
One. Yeah. Thank you, yeah. Wait a moment. I think I want to watch a video. Wait, yeah. Wait. Oh, it cannot be clicked. Okay, can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Loading, sir. Yes.
Loading.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
loading.
Yes, can.
One of the most impressive islands on Earth, head to this corner of the Pacific. Welcome to Mojo Travels, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 8 reasons why Indonesia should be your next vacation destination. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe
and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. For this list, we're looking at a variety of cool reasons you should check out this fascinating and heavily populated Asian nation. Yogyakarta, a large city on the island of Java, which is itself the most populous island in the world, Yogyakarta has been growing in popularity in recent years. A calmer, more culturally focused version of the country's capital, Jakarta, which is also on Java, it's an ideal destination for learning more about Indonesia. Paying homage to both the Hindu and Buddhist traditions, Yogyakarta is surrounded by important religious sites. You can also visit vast paddy fields and see how rice, the country's staple food, has been grown for centuries. Or stop at Kalibiru National Park to appreciate the natural beauty of the area. Back in the city itself, you'll be treated to a rich artistic environment, with lots of concerts and performances. Mount Bromo, the crowning glory of the Tengger Massif, a large volcanic region with many active volcanoes. Mount Bromo is a popular hiking spot. The climb to the peak isn't the hardest trek out there, and can be completed in around 2 hours. But when you reach the top, you'll nonetheless be treated to views of the stunning volcanic vista. At only 7,600 feet, it's by no means the tallest peak around, but is Indonesia's most popular mountain by quite a substantial margin. You could spend a whole week just exploring Java's volcanic east side. Though it is worth remembering the area can be unstable and eruptions are common. Diving. Indonesia is one of the countries whose waters make up part of the Coral Triangle, an enormous coral reef in Southeast Asia that's home to 2,000 different species of fish and 6 different species of sea turtles. Because of all this natural beauty, Indonesia is a must-visit for diving enthusiasts. For the best spots, you'll want to go to Raja Ampat, a cluster of gorgeous but rarely visited islands. From here, you can go swimming in the shallows or take a boat out to the open water, where you'll be able to see some of Earth's most beautiful marine life up close. Komodo dragons. The animal kingdom's largest lizards are endemic to Indonesia, and if you're interested in seeing them, a visit to their namesake island, Komodo, is well worth the trip. While you certainly shouldn't try to pet the dragons, there are lots of places where you can see them both in the wild and in captivity. Be warned though, these lizards are large meat eaters with a venomous bite, more than capable of killing a human. However, there have been talks of closing the island to tourists for a year or so in order to help the lizard population grow and thwart smuggling. So if you're desperate to see real-life dragons, you'll want to confirm the island is welcoming tourists before you pick a date. Temples. Indonesia is home to the largest Buddhist temple in the entire world, Borobudur, which you can find just outside of Yogyakarta. Located in Java, this stunning monument dates back to the 9th century. Even if you aren't religious, the architecture is stunning and has been known to leave many visitors speechless. In the same trip, you can also visit Prambanan, an enormous Hindu temple built over 1,000 years ago and dedicated to Shiva, as well as other temples for Vishnu and Brahma. Across the rest of Indonesia, you'll find many more temples, Hindu and Buddhist alike, all celebrating the country's religious diversity. Sumatra. Whereas some parts of Indonesia have become saturated with tourism, much of Sumatra is still wild and untouched. Its dense jungles aren't always accommodating to tourists, but the difficult conditions are worth it for the chance to see some of the world's most endangered animals, including the incredibly rare Sumatran tiger. You might also run into clouded leopards, orangutans, rhinos, and monkeys. But the scenery alone makes Sumatra a fantastic destination. It's home to Indonesia's largest and prettiest lake, Lake Toba. And if the coasts are more your thing, Sumatra has the country's top surfing spots. Jakarta. The Indonesian capital, Jakarta is a bustling metropolis nestled amidst the jungle. With an enormous population of 10 million people, the city is composed of brightly lit busy streets and enormous skyscrapers. With its prevalence of narrow streets, however, the best way to get around Jakarta is by motorcycle, Indonesia's most popular vehicle. It has lots of shopping opportunities, like Taman Anggrek Mall, as well as some more family-friendly attractions like Ragunan Zoo. For all the excitement of Indonesian wildlife, without having to go off the beaten track, Jakarta has many opportunities. It's also home to Istiqlal Mosque, the largest of its kind in Southeast Asia. Bali. The world's #1 destination for backpackers, Bali has so much to offer that one could stay there for weeks, never even venturing into the rest of the country. Though we recommend a more well-rounded trip, we do get the appeal. Popular simultaneously for its exciting ceremonies, culture, and traditional arts, and for wild parties and hedonism, Bali has everything you need for a memorable vacation. With white beaches and green jungles, what's not to love? Sure, the volcanoes are a little overactive and it tends to get crowded with tourists, but it's a paradise nonetheless. Also, the famous Gili Islands are just a stone's throw away. Dreamy tropical getaways with plenty more diving to be enjoyed.
Check out these other
Do you
great
agree with our picks? Check out these other great clips.
Okay,
It's the end of the
now I want to ask you those questions. Please raise your hand if you want to answer the question. And I also want to give one chance to the participants that doesn't raise their hands. Okay, so have you ever traveled, maybe not those places, yeah, I can say some of, one of or few of those places. Okay, maybe I want to know the POV from Bro Gideon deh. Bro Gideon?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Can you repeat the question? I'm sorry.
Okay, so have you ever traveled a few of those places?
Yeah, sure. I live in North Sumatra. It means I ever go to Samosir. That video say that is Toba Lakes. Yeah, we are going, and Samosir is my hometown. So every year, especially every ended of year, we're going to Samosir because it's our hometown. And I'm sorry. And last month, I think, yeah, the last month, I've been going to Bali. So I'm going to Bali and Bali is such a good place. I actually love Bali so much, and I think if I gonna getting old, I'm going to stay in Bali, of course.
Oh, I sure. Over
Yeah.
tourism. Over tourism loh. Although I'm also excited to have a conversation with foreigners, but when I know bule too much in Bali, so I'm not interested in that anymore. Yeah, but if you still interested in it, just continue. Habis. Okay, thank you, yeah, Bro Gideon. Okay, you can lower your hand, yeah. Okay, now, maybe Sis Melati. Sis Melati. Yeah.
Okay, have you ever traveled to those places? Yes,
You.
I have.
What
Yes,
what what
ever
what place? What place?
place.
What place? Tempat yang apa? Is it Jakarta?
Borobudur. I ever to Borobudur, Ragunan in this video kan? Yeah, Yogyakarta. Yeah, like that. What is your memory to go there? My memory for my memorable is when I go to Yogyakarta with my friend. We traveling together and we go to Yogyakarta. We take the train and we go to for backpacker.
Okay. Sis Melati. So you have ever been in Borobudur and Prambanan Temple, yeah? Okay,
Yeah.
do you think that, have you ever thought that Borobudur is part of Yogyakarta? To be honest, it's okay.
This Borobudur is the area in Magelang, but is the most visited for your visit in Yogyakarta.
Yeah, because what is it? Yeah, like fun fact, yeah. Some people in Indonesia think that Borobudur is located at Yogyakarta. So I ask you that. Okay, where do you live, sis?
I live in Depok.
Oh, Depok. Oh, I see.
Yeah, I like to go traveling.
Yeah, I asked that question because I think you don't live in Central Java or East Java, so I just want to make sure.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you ya, Sis Melati.
Thank you.
Nah, okay, now I want to see the POV from another participant, maybe Bro Ade Dawan. Halo, bro. Bro Ade. Nah.
Halo.
Yeah, bro. Have you ever been in a few of those places?
I'm so sorry. I am don't look to video to before. I just in this Zoom.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, it's okay. So the video shows us about the places that they are famous, yeah, like Komodo and then Borobudur Temple and Prambanan Temple, and also some provinces that has tourism place such as Bali, Yogyakarta, Jakarta, and maybe Lombok. Yeah. So have you ever been or have you ever traveled to a few of those places, or you have never been there?
Oh yes, to Borobudur. Maybe I ever to Borobudur from my school when I still high school in boarding school maybe, and to again.
What?
Two times, dua kali pernah, tidak salah. before I graduate, sebelum saya lulus, biasanya ada usually there is a agenda or event for persyaratan untuk lulus tuh we should to follow or join it gitu. Jadi harus ikut kegiatan itu gitu. Ada rihlah gitu, rihlah tarbawiyah, ada rihlah iktisodiyah gitu.
I see.
My school.
Okay. What was your school? Where do you study?
I study in Darussalam Islamic Boarding School in Tasikmalaya.
Oh.
Alumni Gontor maybe. Pondok pesantren lah gitu lah.
I see. Okay, very religious ya. Keep doing it.
Yes.
Okay. Then thank you ya, bro.
Okay.
Ade.
Okay.
Now I want to move to the next part ya.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now let me translate and I let you know about the pronunciation of those words. Yeah. Okay, the first one. Wait a second. Hello.
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 Yeah,
Okay.
it's good, bro.
Okay. Because there is a statement, your connection is unstable. So the first one is tourist attraction. This one is tourist attraction. Or we can say
Attraction.
Wisata.
Wisata.
Okay, and then this one is travel around. You can say travel or travel around.
Travel around.
Hello. You can hear my voice, right?
Yes.
Yes, bro.
But we follow you speak or no? Or just listen?
Halo.
Halo? Loh, bro-nya kayaknya yang nggak dengar ya.
Oh, wait. Let me change the what is it? The signal. I'm sorry. Wait, I'm sorry.
Cek.
Hello. Now can you hear my voice?
Halo.
Is it clear? Hello.
Yeah.
Now is it clear?
Clear.
Clear ya. Thank God. Okay, let me repeat ya. So the first one we have tourist attraction. Daya tarik wisata ya. This is.
Sir, di buku tulisannya tempat wisata.
Di modul ya?
Ya.
Okay.
Sama kali artinya mungkin.
Sama sih. Sama.
Oke.
Or you also can say tempat ya. Because some of people also say tourism place. Tourism place for tempat wisata.
Oh yes.
Then for travel around. Okay. I think it's not berpergian keliling ya. because travel means
Jalan-jalan, sir.
Jalan.
I think jalan-jalan ya.
Ya.
Jalan-jalan.
Bo, can I ask you? When you say when you say vocabulary, do we just follow reading or just listening?
Oh, okay, you can follow lah, but you need to turn off your mic because
Okay. I think
noisy. Yeah, please turn off your mic, yeah, but you also need to follow the pronunciation of the words. Okay.
Travel around.
Yeah. Travel around, berjalan-jalan, and okay, you can say back and forth or back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth. It can means mondar mandir. So you can say back and forth or back and forth. Okay. Before I move to the next part, do you have any question? Halo? Halo?
Kalau keliling beda ya?
Oke.
Round.
Kalau keliling apa? Biasanya kan orang kalau kita cerita tuh kita keliling-liling tempat gitu, itu apa?
Itu masuk ke
Strolling, maybe strolling.
Sama aja nggak sih? Traveling around.
Itu kan sama kayak.
Okay, so travel around. Okay, maybe travel around.
Kalau strolling, bro?
Strolling.
Roller.
Pulang pergi apa, bro?
Kalau pulang pergi tuh
PP.
Hah?
Pulang pergi.
Go and back home. Nggak tahu.
PP.
Tiketnya pulang pergi, Pak, misalnya.
Itu ada sih kalau nggak salah waktu saya dibeliin tiket sama apa namanya pihak beasiswa. Oh, round trip.
Round trip.
Round trip.
Round trip itu berapa gitu?
Round trip. Nah, kalau untuk apa namanya travel, lagi. Kalau untuk kata travel around itu mungkin kita berkeliling, konteksnya tempat yang luas ya. Berkeliling bukan tempat yang luas, maksudnya berkeliling untuk tempat, untuk ke banyak tempat. Itu kita travel around.
Kalau di Medan round bahasa biasa tuh.
Ya, tapi di sini berkeliling untuk banyak tempatnya. Yang ini ya teman-teman, yang apa? Mungkin bisa beda, bisa beda negara, kota atau pulau. Kalau untuk case go around itu juga berarti berkeliling ya, berkeliling banyak tempat, tapi di satu wilayah. Paham nggak? Misalnya kita kayak apa namanya go around Jogja gitu, apa go around Bandung, sekitaran Bandung doang. Jadi nggak ke kota-kota lain. Go around tapi satu tempat. Nah, sense-nya gitu ya. Nah, waduh, piye. I need to make it. It is okay if I make the size of the letters like this. Size-nya segini oke nggak? Kelihatan nggak yang lain?
Oke sih, size.
Oke.
Oke, or maybe ya.
Mungkin nggak usah diterangin tulisannya ya.
Oh, just like this ya.
Mungkin rock aja.
Oke. Nah, then continue ya. Staycation. Ini menginap ya. Menginap di hotel. Staycation ya. Staycation. And then this one not explore. Explore.
Jelajah.
Menjelajahi atau jelajah.
And give oleh-oleh.
And give. Wait a second. Sometimes I'm confused.
Oleh-oleh nggak sih, Sir?
Souvenir. Karena
Buah
souvenir
tangan,
itu
Mas.
oleh-oleh.
Oh iya.
Oleh-oleh.
Iya.
Buah tangan, oleh-oleh, it's oleh-oleh.
Ya, ini kayaknya oleh-oleh tapi konteksnya beda gitu loh.
Oleh-oleh
Jika di,
standby.
kalau di modul sih ada souvenir.
Iya, souvenir.
Oleh-oleh. Apa sama kali?
Ini mungkin artinya sama oleh-oleh, tapi ini mungkin
Maybe
yang
I think ini upeti.
aduh,
Upeti.
berat ya. Bahan gift ini oleh-oleh, tapi
Hadiah.
kayak handmade kayaknya deh.
Cindera mata bukan, Bro?
Iya, oleh-oleh like buatan tangan.
Ya,
Ada juga kenangan.
Berarti kalau oleh-oleh buatan tangan, berarti kalau makanan beda lagi atau gimana?
Hand fruit aja. Hand fruit
Jadi bingung ya.
buat tangan.
Sorry.
Oleh-oleh bye-bye.
No.
Oke.
Bye-bye.
So, and then next one, ini nature. Nature ini alam ya. Nature or nature. Bisa nature, bisa nature.
Nature. Nature.
Nature or nature. Oke, ya teman-teman tahu nggak waterfall itu apa? Pasti tahu ya.
Air terjun.
Terjun.
Waterfall, air terjun, beach.
Terjun.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Pantai.
I need to say
Mountain.
something here. Sorry.
Beach and beach. Beach.
Ada yang tahu nggak bedanya apa?
Iya.
Dua harokat. Harokat apa?
Beda, tulisannya benar.
Apa dah sama sekalian?
Kalau yang beach, yang beach anjing betina itu satu kan, Sir, ya? Cepet beach.
Apa? Anjing betina.
Ya, beach itu anjing betina kan artinya.
Enggak. Oke, jadi rekan-rekan tahu nggak pronunciation yang beach ini sama beach ini?
Ya.
Pantai.
I don't know.
Pantai dan nggak tahu satu lagi apa itu.
Enggak, pengucapannya, pronunciation-nya tahu nggak?
Enggak.
Tahu, Sir.
Ada yang tahu deh nggak?
Izin,
Oke.
coba, Sir.
Kalau
Bro.
beach itu lidahnya nggak ditekan, Mister.
Yang satu pendek, yang satu panjang sebentar.
Oke, tapi
Matnya.
mudahnya gini. Kalau beach yang yang jalang itu ada sedikit e-nya, beach. Jadi nggak full gitu loh. Kalau beach kan itu pantai ya, beach itu full beach. Nah, tapi kalau yang jalang ini beach itu terdengar seperti i tapi ada terdengar seperti e-nya juga. Beach. Itu harus ada t-nya juga. Kalau ini kan beach benar-benar c ya. Kalau ini beach. Beach.
Ada D gitu ya, Dok?
No D. T.
Beach. Gimana sih beach?
Beach.
Beach.
Ini aja buat BITC-nya nih.
Tulis itu apa bahasa dugong apa sih kalau di TikTok?
Sir, I think for the meaning of the beach, secara in my Oxford dictionary it means female dog. Atau yang slangnya dalam kurung slang unpleasant woman, emang betul jalang. Cuman arti sebetulnya female dog kalau di Oxford Dictionary. Anjing betina.
Ya.
Artinya itu anak anjing betina, bukan anjing betina, anak anjing betina. Itu bitch.
Jadi itu artinya apa? Itu artinya apa yang
tadi waterfall ini ya curug ya?
Kok curug sih itu kan terjun.
Kita kembali ke laptop aja ya.
Iya. Sorry.
Nanti teman-teman cari sendiri ya. Saya nggak mau terlalu lanjut karena itu ada konotasi buruk ya. Nah, ini bisa camping. Kalau Amerika bilangnya camping, kalau British ada sedikit A-nya, camping.
Camping. Camping.
Ya, berkemah. Kalau
Oke.
suitcase itu kalau nggak salah tas nggak sih? Tas yang gede gitu. Bukan deh. Suitcase ini tas nggak sih? Ini bukan ini I-nya nggak dibaca ya. Jangan bilang suitcase. Tapi dibacanya suitcase, bukan suitcase. Suitcase.
Apa? Suitcase.
Nah, jadi kan ini uniknya gini ya, teman-teman. Ini kan ada I-nya di sini.
Ya.
I-nya nggak kita baca. Tapi di sini ada huruf vokal I-nya. A. Jadi suitcase.
Oh ya. Understood. Suitcase.
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 What the meaning is suitcase?
What the meaning?
Case itu koper, tapi mungkin koper yang kecil deh kayaknya. Karena kan koper itu ada apa?
Mini Cooper.
Kayaknya ini koper yang mini deh.
Mobil.
Koper yang bisa masuk kabin bukan, Bro?
Kayaknya iya deh. Bentar. Suitcase. Ini
Masuk kabin ada yang besar juga.
Tapi kan ini kan gak gede-gede banget.
Sebentar ya.
Banyak kali memang.
Nggak mau
Belum
ngasih
tak kecil ibu-ibu lagi.
informasi yang misleading. Oke. Itu koper yang mini kalau nggak salah. Iya, koper yang mini. Suitcase. Kalau yang koper yang gede itu apa namanya? Kalau nggak salah luggage apa ya? Koper yang gede. Kalau suitcase itu koper yang mini. Kalau koper yang gede itu kalau nggak salah luggage deh. Bentar, saya cari di ini dulu ya. Luggage or luggage. Oke, jadi intinya ini koper yang versi mini ya, suitcase ini. Nah, destination.
Suitcase.
Nah, tujuan, destination, tujuan perjalanan. Oke, ini zoo. Ya, zoo tahu lah ya. Zoo. Mungkin, mungkin nggak tahu. Oke, and then next one, sunbath. Sunbath ini berjemur. Nah, ini breathtaking view ini apa ya? Mungkin bernapas melihat pemandangan ya. Breathtaking view. Oh, oke. Breathtaking itu menakjubkan. Atau ini bisa kita bilang amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. Oke. Oke, kalau guide ini ya. Apa namanya?
Pemandu.
Pemandu atau pembimbing.
Guide.
Oke.
Get. Bacanya cuma get gitu ya?
Bacanya gimana?
Guide.
Oh ya.
Kalau di Indonesia guide.
Guide.
Menggait.
Guide.
Bukan menggait. Guide di Indonesia itu karena kita apa namanya mengindonesiasikan kata dari bahasa Inggris. Makanya guide. Oke. Before I move. If you don't have any question, please take screenshot. Ya.
I will send the picture sir on the chat.
Oke.
That beach. Alah, sorry.
Oke. Yang ini sudah difoto belum?
Belum. Screenshot.
Udah.
Oke.
Done.
Kan ini ada beberapa hal yang penting ya.
Yes.
Nah, sekarang kita lanjut dulu. Oke, mungkin saya mau tanya no, 1 or 3. Okay, maybe one question only for 2 participants. Please raise your hand and then please respond in short. Okay, so I think I will ask the very specific deh. So, do you like spending your holiday with your family or friends? Okay.
Family.
Let me lower your hand first. Let me count again Okay. 3, 2, 1. Please raise your hand. Okay. Mami Eci. Hello, Mami Eci.
Come on, Mom.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes. Yeah, what's the question?
So, spending your holiday with your friends or your family?
Both.
Okay, can you
Both.
tell me the reason?
Yeah, with family. Yeah, I love spend the holiday with family and also with friends. Sometimes with family is specific and with friend is also specific for me. Difference.
Oh, different situations.
Yes. But I love to spend both.
Both
of them.
Yep.
You still need both of them lah ya.
Yep.
Okay, thank you Sis
Yeah.
Eci.
Welcome.
Now Sis Titi. Yeah.
Yes.
Sis. Please
Sis siapa?
Sis Titi.
Oh, Mi. Soalnya dengar kayak sis Vivi gitu.
Oh.
Ya.
Sis Vivi. Sis Vivi or Sis Titi?
Sis Titi. Sis Vivi nggak ada responnya.
Mi. Sorry. You call Titi or Vivi ya?
Titi.
Oh, Mi. Ya.
Ini si Sugiyarti lah ya. Tomorrow.
Ya, it's me.
Okay, Sugiyarti. Please
Tisu.
tell us the response.
Iya, tisu boleh lah.
Sugi. Okay, sis Sugi.
Yeah, what's your question?
Okay. Do you like spending your holiday with your family or friends?
Yes, I really like spending my holiday with my family because I can give the happiness for my children and the holiday time. Yeah, just like that.
So, very family apa ya? Apa sih? Family, not family. Family apa ya? Istilahnya saya pernah dengar itu. Kayak apa namanya? Everything is for my family. Okay, sweet mom. Okay, thank you. Sis,
because actually I always request for to my husband once in a month I want to vacation in somewhere, actually in Bandung, because it's so affordable. Because as I think sometimes I feel the bored to do daily routine as mom home, so I often to ask him to bring us to somewhere to get a refreshing feeling.
So you already make a deal with your family lah ya.
Yes. Thank you, bro.
Ya. Nah, teman-teman, jadi saya mau ngasih tahu sedikit ya. Kan tadi konteksnya si Sugi ya. Nah, enggak, teman-teman mungkin masih sering salah ya terkait ini. Ini bukan I want to vacation. Ini saya ingin liburan, no. Bisa diganti. Ini vacation ini bukan verb ya, tapi ini noun. Jadi ini bisa kita tambahin verba di sini, verb bisa do atau have lah, or have.
I do vacation gitu ya, Sir?
I do vacation,
I
Jadi
do
contoh, I will do.
not do ya. I do vacation.
Ya, I do vacation. I do vacation.
I will do vacation.
Apa contoh?
Vacation.
Saya akan berlibur
to
bulan
the
depan.
moon.
I want to have vacation.
Want to have vacation. Oh, berarti ini desperate banget ya, Sir? I want to have ini ya? Apa sama aja?
Sama aja sih. Tapi kayaknya kalau yang apa namanya? Kalau kayak to have ini kan kayak kita cuma pengen punya doang kan. Kalau kayak do itu ya kita langsung liburan. Langsung jalan-jalan. Gitu deh.
Oh, kalau will itu kayak prison ya?
Enggak. Will itu future tense ya, teman-teman. Akan. Itu future tense ya.
Future tense.
Ya.
Present juga bisa.
Kalau will,
I will be vacation.
Nah. Saya menjadi liburan.
Jadi intinya bro, vacation itu bukan verb ya?
No.
Ini saya salahin ya di sini. Saya kasih tanda X berarti itu salah. Oke. Kalau misalnya itu penting, silakan difoto ya.
I will do vacation month.
Bro boleh tanya misalkan aku camping, I camping atau gimana kalimatnya, sentence.
Bisa ditambahin I want to do camping or I want to have camping.
I want to go atau I want to have ya.
I want to go camping. Kalau misalnya go camping itu lebih tepatnya udah mau ngelakuin. Kalau misalnya kayak I want to have camping, ya udah kayak pengen aja.
Baru plan ya kalau I want to ya.
Kalau ada kata have ya, kalau ada kata have di contoh, misalnya I want to or I bla 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 have vacation itu berarti kayak ada planning. Kalau misalnya udah kata
gitu.
Itu sama kasusnya sama seperti camping ya. Oke,
terima kasih bro.
Oke, ini bisa difoto dulu ya teman-teman.
Bro Rafiq, bisa I will be vacation atau I will be camping? I will be camping seperti present ya.
I will be camping itu kayaknya masih, ya itu sebenarnya verba sih dari kata camp to camp. Tapi terkadang kalau kita bilang I will be camping, saya rasa untuk sekarang ini jangan dulu deh. Karena takutnya
kan present tense.
Bukan future ya, bukan apa. Takutnya ngasih makna yang berbeda.
Kalau langsung, bro, kalau langsung I have vacation plan gimana? Sama nggak artinya? Sama I want to have.
Lebih baik I want to have vacation aja deh. Kalau kayak gitu nanti membingungkan lawan bicara kita, bisa ngasih misleading information. Oke, jadi teman-teman, kalau saya notice ada yang salah seperti ini, kita diskusi seperti ini ya. Oke, now seperti biasa ya, diskusi in breakout rooms. Nanti saya akan datangin breakout rooms teman-teman. Saya mau memastikan diskusi atau tidak. Oke, ini saya bagi menjadi 5 saja. Oke, mungkin saya beri waktu 15 menit. Jadi saya mungkin akan di breakout rooms. Saya hanya diam saja ya di breakout rooms. Mungkin selama 3 menit.
Ya.
Jadi mohon ya digunakan 15 menit untuk diskusi. Oke.
Oke.
Please join ya. Bro Ilo, halo? Halo, bro?
Nggak
Halo?
bisa join, Sir.
Oke, oke.
Bro Rofik minta tolong.
Iya, iya. Wait ya, sis. Tadi di grup berapa, sis? Atau lupa? Saya taruh aja ya.
Itu yang breakout room-nya Sis Rika sama Bro Gani.
Bro Gani itu... Oh, oke. One.
Kasih, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Halo sis, halo. Okay, good.
Bro Rofi, can
Hmm.
I ask you something
Uh-huh.
about vacation?
Ya.
Saya lihat di kamus bahasa Inggris,
Hmm.
ketika kita bikin kalimat vacation,
Hmm.
itu tidak menggunakan I want to do, but I want to go or I want to take.
Oke, itu kalau di kamus. Tapi sis, konteks apa ya? Kan ini kan konteks kita kan informal, jadi kita nggak bisa selalu mulu ikut kamus sis.
Oh gitu.
Mm-mm.
Oke, thank you.
Bro Rofik,
Ah,
can we get more time for breakout session?
Why?
Oke, jadi ingin berapa menit ke depannya?
Maybe half hour.
Half hour.
What?
Ya.
Kayaknya obrolannya makin intens nih.
Nanti saya buat polling aja deh.
Atau ada yang mau curhat gitu kan?
Enggak,
Saya buat
ntar
polling deh.
cinlok
Saya-
loh.
Kalau
Saya buat
orangnya
polling.
banyak bisa 20 minute. Kalau kayak tadi kan 5 participant
Jadi 5 minutes per
20
person.
minutes. If you for participant maybe 15 minutes is no problem.
5 minutes,
Oke.
15 minutes nggak teman.
Jadi
Is-
nanti dibuat for our 5 participants gitu ya.
Ya, kalau banyak lebih banyak gitu maksudnya.
Yeah.
Oke, udah. Nanti
Ah,
mungkin
bro,
kedepannya di ini ya.
I wanna ask you something. Thanks for joining today. See you tomorrow. Emang besok ada?
Oh, enggak dong. Tapi saya mau tanya dulu ya teman-teman. Ini kan pertemuan 10 itu kan ada meet ya. Nah, teman-teman mau meetnya itu presentasi atau quizzes? Saya bebaskan.
Meet
Kalau
tuh apa?
teman-teman ingin explore, saran saya presentasi. Tapi kalau misalnya ya quizzes ya quiz. Bagaimana?
Quiz aja.
Atau
Presentasi biar lancar Inggris juga ya bro ya.
Presentation.
Presentation.
Kalau
Presentation,
presentasi,
please.
saya
Bro,
buat
bikin
polling aja,
polling
oke?
aja bro di grup bro.
Bro Rofi, kalau presentasi cukup waktunya. Maksudnya
Nggak cukup
mendengarkan
waktu.
orang presentasi gitu.
Atau kita bikin ke grup lagi, bro.
Halo,
Ya
halo.
udah.
Polling di
Halo.
grup aja bro
Sorry,
Rofi.
sorry. Maksudnya presentasi dengerin orang presentasi
Gimana
gitu.
caranya bro?
Oke,
Sebentar,
oke.
sebentar,
Kita
sebentar.
kita
Saya
dengar
mute
Arti
dulu ya.
menjelaskan.
Oke, maaf ya, saya mute semua dulu. Jadi maksud saya, ini kan kelas besar, tapi saya juga mau beri kesempatan yang lebih ke teman-teman. Jadi, karena ini cuma 20 hari ya, kenapa saya ada ide untuk membiarkan teman-teman presentasi. Karena ya setiap hari kan saya yang presentasi ya, kayak bawa kelas gini-gini. Nah, coba deh saya beri kesempatan teman-teman untuk presentasi. Tapi nanti saya batasin waktunya. Mungkin untuk satu grup berapa menit gitu. Nah, jadi
So,
tujuan saya membiarkan teman-teman presentasi karena itu untuk explore speaking-nya. Kalau misalnya cuma explore vocabulary, saya mau coba quizzes. Gitu.
okay, sir.
Teman-teman
So
mau
it's like, sorry, sir. So it's like we are being your assistant gitu ya.
bukan saya asisten, jadi saya topiknya terserah deh, mau topik apa. Pokoknya nanti hari pertemuan ke-8 atau pertemuan ke-7 deh. Nanti saya buat polling aja untuk grup presentasinya mau ditentukan dari pertemuan ke-7 atau 8. Nah, kalau misalnya teman-teman nggak mau presentasi, nanti kita quizzes. Itu lebih ke vocabulary. Jadi saya beri 2 pilihan ya.
Oke, bebas sih.
Bebas. Nanti saya buat ya habis ini saya buat polling lah. Setuju atau enggak?
Setuju.
Agree or not?
Oke, thank you bro.
Oke, thank you bro. See you.
Okay, then I stop share. Okay, I think that's all for today, everyone. If you don't have any question, see you on Monday. And please,
Thank you bro.
please,
Thank you,
please
thank you.
respond on the polling ya.
Thank
Bye.
you bro.
Oke,
Oh, thank you.